Hi, my name is Farah Laila Zahra. I am a strategy planner. Today, I will present the communication strategy undertaken by the government to fix mission information. The COVID-19 pandemic is an event that spreads a virus that has spread throughout the world. The name for the virus is coronavirus 2019 or coronavirus disease 2019, abbreviated as COVID-19. This virus is a new type of coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, first discovered in Wuhan, China. In this case, the government has an important role in handling the COVID-19 pandemic. Some discussion regarding government communication include first, organizing is done to see how the responsibility for formulating a communication strategy at the functional or middle management level. 2. Examining related document and regulation to see government communication planning. 3. Looking at the analysis of public perception. Government communication is not only about manage public opinion, but more than that. How to manage the entire communication process that is taking place in the government to support the achievement of goals in handling COVID-19. Semarang Government Communication Strategy Problem in Handling COVID-19. Based on document search, there are at least 4 main problems of Semarang government communication in handling COVID-19 that are facing the government in Indonesia, namely incorrect data and information, lack of information dissemination related to several issues, low public trust, and ineffective communication of government organization. The communication problem currently hitting Semarang is the inaccuracy of data and information. According to Nanyang Technological University Singapore disaster sociologist Zulfikar Amir, this is evidence of public distrust. The following is information that has received distrust from public. First, that data that do not comply with WHO guidelines. 2. Social assistance data is also considered inaccurate. 3. The problem of lack of socialization and low public trust has led to a number of problems such as rejection of rapid tests and the phenomenon of forcibly taking the bodies of COVID-19 sufferers. In addition, there is also the problem of the ineffective communication government organization, which can be seen from the difference by the policies between government organizations which are communicated to the public. Some of them include: first, out of war between the center and the regions; 2. Granting entry permits for foreign workers in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic; 3. Transportation online operating system. Effective government communication strategies in handling miscommunication COVID-19. Primary target audience, community of Semarang City. First, placing COVID-19 as complex intergovernmental problems or CIP, put forward by Setters 2020. Every government element concerned must understand that dealing with CIP requires extraordinary and not traditional communication patterns. This is reflected in the Joko Widodo's direction, which emphasizes that facing COVID-19 cannot only work as usual, requires more effort. Limiting social media buzzers that can lead to public opinion through social media. Lots of accounts have sprung up that seem to know the ins and outs of the government, including data falsification, which cause the public to distrust. This can make matters worse. What has to be done is to limit the social media buzzers from chatting with the aim of the differing public opinion. Government provide accurate info with evidence. The government correct false communication by sharing accurate information that has evidence, using official social media or official account. To share clear, relate information, all information shared must have evidence for the public to believe it. The government provide information on health service in handling COVID-19. Provide information on how the hospital service COVID-19 patients. Using clear evidence will let the public know that the government and health are working together in dealing with COVID-19. Next, secondary target audience or people of all Indonesia. First, perform issue transfer. The first strategy to do is to shift attention from the problem to other things. Is the outside community discussing the badness of COVID-19 handlers while improving communication that is already considered bad. The first strategy to do to shift attention from the problem to other things. Is the outside community discussing the badness of COVID-19 handler while improving communication that is already considered bad. Improve the image of Semarang city. Share interesting and actual information. The information shared must be able to change the image of the city of Semarang in the eyes of the public. Sharing good information from the city of Semarang. Collaborating with outside parties in handling COVID-19. Inviting parties who seem trusted by the outside community to improve the situation of COVID-19. Digging as much information as possible. Besides being seen to be doing business, there is also to get information that can be used. Don't forget, every activity requires publication so that it can be accessed by outsiders. Thank you for your attention. Sorry if there is any misinformation. See you later.